In this video, I'm going to show you how to add members in FigJam quickly and easily, whether you want to invite someone by email or share a link with your team. This is really helpful when you're collaborating on brainstorming sessions, planning boards, wireframes, or any FigJam file where multiple people need access. And before we jump in, if you find this tutorial useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's get started. First, let's look at inviting someone directly through a team or a file. Once you have your FigJam board open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the blue Share button. This is where FigJam lets you manage access and send invites. After clicking Share, you'll see an invite box. Type in the person's email address carefully so the invitation goes to the right collaborator. If you're adding multiple members, you can enter each email one by one. Next, choose the permission level you want to give them. FigJam usually gives you options like can edit or can view. If you want someone to actively work on the board, leave comments, move objects, or help build the session, choose can edit. If you only want them to see the board without making changes, choose can view. Picking the right permission is important because it helps you control who can make edits and who can only observe. Once you've entered the email and selected the correct access level, click invite. FigJam will send that person an email with an access link. All they need to do is open the email and accept the invite, and then they'll be added as a member or collaborator on the file. This is the best method when you want to give specific people access and keep track of exactly who can open your FigJam board. Now let's go over the second method, which is inviting people through a link. This is usually the fastest way to share a board, especially when you want multiple people to join without typing in each email address separately. To do this, click the Share button again, either from your file or from your team dashboard. FigJam will open the sharing options just like before. From there, click Copy Link. This copies the shareable link to your clipboard so you can paste it anywhere you want, like in an email, chat message, project management tool, or group conversation. Once your collaborators receive the link, they can join with just a click, as long as they have the right access permissions enabled on the file. This makes it really convenient for quick teamwork, workshops, and live collaboration sessions. If you want to make sure the right people are joining your FigJam board, always double check your sharing settings before sending the link. That way, you can avoid giving access too broadly and keep your workspace organized and secure. And if your team changes later, you can always return to the Share menu to update permissions or remove access. So, to recap, you can add members in FigJam either by clicking a share, typing in their email, choosing can edit or can view, and sending an invite, or by copying a shareable link and sending it directly to your collaborators. Both methods are simple, fast, and useful depending on how you work. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials on FigJam, Figma, and other productivity tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.